Okay, I'm going to show you a quick way to save your car from rust without a lot of expense. It'll get the rust off and it'll cover it up with some paint. It's not professional grade, it's not paint booth grade, but what you'll need is a fiberglass pen, and it costs about $9, maybe $12 at a aftermarket auto store. But there's actually fiberglass. It's like a pen and you screw it in and out. You don't want to touch it because if you get that on your skin or in your eyes or in your nose or anything after rubbing it, it's going to be a very big irritant. But I bought this and was using it, and then I went and bought the paint from Mopar for my Chrysler Town & Country, and I found out there's one on the end of there too. So if you're going to do this, just get the Mopar paint. What you want to do is you want to find the little nicks. I've got a few of them all over the car. So what I did is I'm just scratching the extra flakes off because there's rust that goes further than what you can see. And then you want to take the fiberglass pen, they call it, and you want to get rid of any visible rust, because you don't want to seal that in with the paint. And this won't be perfect and it won't be pretty, but it'll buy you some time. And there you go. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm going to keep putting how-to videos on here. I've got a few, I don't know if you call them channels within a channel, pages, metal detecting, how-to videos. Just check them out, and hopefully I can save you some time and money, and you can have some fun learning what I have fun at.